Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I am Rizky Kurniawan from Management Class 22 with NPM 224111035. Well, this time we will discuss material about capital budgeting from the financial management course. Capital budgeting is the process of planning and allocating financial resource for investment in physical asset or business project that are expected to provide long-term benefit. The main objective of capital budgeting is to ensure that the company can maximize corporate value by wisely allocating capital to projects that have a high potential to generate profit. Next, the capital budgeting process involves several steps, such as project identification. First, the company must identify project or asset that require capital investment. That could include new project, facility expansion, fixed asset purchase, and so on. Project appraisal. Once potential projects are identified, the company needs to conduct a careful assessment of each project. This involves calculating the estimated revenue, cost, risk, and expected future cash flow of the project. Determination of cost of capital. The company must also determine the cost of capital or the expected rate of return on the investment. This may include the cost of borrowing, cost the equity, or the relevant interest rate. Project selection. Once all the projects have been assessed, the company should select those projects that are most profitable and in line with the company objective. These projects usually have a positive net present value. Resource allocation. Once the project to be financed are selected, the company then allocated financial resource to fund the project. This could involve financing through equity, capital, loans, or a mix of both. Implementation and monitoring. Once the projects are initiated, the company must ensure that the capital investment are implemented as planned. This involves oversight, risk management, and plan change if needed. Capital budgeting is an important part of a company's financial management, and wise decision in this regard can have a major impact on the company's performance and growth. Companies should consider their risks, expected rate of return, as well as their long-term strategy when doing capital budgeting. Next.
I want you, Shopee. I need you, Shopee. I love you, Shopee. Hidupmu hatiku, rasa sayang yang terus mengalir. Happy Shopee, Shopee, happy Shopee 1111 promo terbesar tahun ini.
The objective of capital budgeting is to ensure the efficient and prudent use of the company's financial resource in the investment of physical asset or business project. Some of the key objectives of capital budgeting include maximize firm value. The main objective of capital budgeting is to increase the value of the firm. This is achieved by allocation capital to projects that are expected to generate long-term benefit and generate positive cash flow that can increase by the value of the company. Risk spreading. By planning the use of capital wisely, a company can reduce the risk of unnecessary investment by diversifying investment in a diverse portfolio. the company can reduce overall risk, increasing competitiveness. Proper capital investment can improve the competitiveness of the company. This can include purchasing state-of-the-art equipment, upgrading facility, or developing new products that can help the company compete better in the market. Maximizing return on capital. Capital budgeting aims to maximize the rate of return on investment. This can be expressed in terms of return on investment, net present value, or other financial metrics that measure investment performance. Fulfillment of company needs. Capital budgeting should also ensure that the company meets its operational and strategic needs. This includes maintenance and replacement of existing assets, expansion of facilities, and development of new product or service. Risk management. The purpose of capital budgeting is to identify, measure, and manage the risk associated with capital investment. By planning carefully, companies can reduce the risk of unnecessary investment. Adhering to companies' policies and strategies. Capital budgeting should comply with the company's long-term policies and strategies. This includes matching capital investment with the company's vision, mission, and strategic goals. Fulfilling shareholder needs. Capital budgeting should also take into account the interests of shareholders. Investments that are considered favorable by shareholders can support the company's stock price. It is important to note that capital budgeting objectives may vary from company to company depending on the industry, size, and business strategy. However, in most cases, the main objective is to maximize the value of the company and ensure efficient use of financial resources. By using capital budgeting effectively, companies can make wise investment decisions, which in turn can help improve their business performance, growth, and sustainability. That was a little discussion of the material working capital management. I hope this material can use for all of us. Please apologize if there is mistake. Thank you.
I want you, Shopee. I need you, Shopee. I love you, Shopee. Dilubur hatiku, rasa sayang yang terus mengalir. Happy Hero Operation. Shopee, Happy Hero Operation. Shopee 1111 promo terbesar tahun ini.